How do we choose the people we fall in love with? In the modern world, under the ideology of Romanticism, you are expected, above all else, to believe in your feelings. Love is a mutual ecstasy in finding someone beautiful, both in heart and physique, with a rare capacity to make us happy. Romantic gestures sound warm and kind. Their creators surely imagined that romance will bring an end to unhappy relationships caused by the old-fashioned way of finding a partner, arranged marriages. The only problem is that the call for us to trust our instincts has often proven to be a disaster. Instinct has been slightly better than calculation in assessing the quality of our love stories. There are other sets of thoughts. This one is influenced by psychotherapy that challenges the assumption that trusting instincts without exception draws us to those who will make us happy. Adult love is modeled on the template of love created in childhood, and it's very possible to be associated with various problematic interests that contradict the key way against our chances to grow and be happy as adults. We might believe that we seek happiness in love, but what we're truly seeking is familiarity. We seek ways to recreate in our adult relationships the same feelings we knew so well in childhood, and which are largely limited only to tenderness and affection. A useful starting point is to ask ourselves, perhaps accompanied by a large sheet of paper, a pen, and some free time during the day, what kind of people in abstraction reject us and what kind of people make us passionate, to try to re-examine the qualities of the first person who loved us in childhood and ask ourselves how much of our impulses are truly aligned with the things that might make us happy. Our honestly described reactions are a legacy. These reactions reveal hidden assumptions we've acquired about how love for us can feel. Learning our emotional histories, we learn that we can't just be instantly attracted to anyone. We're limited to the types we have because of certain things that happened in our past. In the end, we are determined to be freed to love others in our initial types when we find that the qualities we like and the people we fear can be found in different constellations than those we have encountered in the people who initially made us think about affection. Once upon a time, in childhood, we had to strive to understand and in many ways free ourselves from it.